This is a Taiwan name, SL Science Holding. You can see they did pop in the after hours, popped again here in the pre-market right up to 2250. So about the same area where it found resistance yesterday. It found resistance again here. Looks like we had a couple of SEC forums that I haven't gone through, so I'm hoping that you have.
This is actually a SPAC that just merged.
Ah, there we go. Okay, that's what the SEC forums are for.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this merged and started trading as a new company yesterday. It merged with a company. I had the ticker, just couldn't remember the name. The ticker that it was is HSPT, Horizon Space Acquisition Corp. 2. So that was the company
that sounds familiar too. Did we ever talk about that one before?
HSPT was the ticker. So if you want to look that up, that's what it was. It is now SLBT after merging with this Taiwanese company that, hold on a second, SL Science Holding, that basically is focused on development of cellular and gene therapies. I think this may have an agricultural angle because the therapies are using immune stem cells to target cancer and bovine-derived milk exomes for tissue regeneration. So I'm not sure if this is an agricultural,
sounds like
or if it's just using, bovine-derived milk exomes for tissue regeneration. If it's just using that for human science, I don't know. This is still so new to me, so I didn't spend a lot of time going into this, and I don't know where if there were redemptions. I don't think there are. There's just a number of things that can still happen with this, including the de-SPAC process, which would take it under 10. And to that point, I think that's going to be a level to watch for, because we're at it right now. We've come down to $10, which was the SPAC price. I've noticed that when I was looking at the HSPT chart, that it seems like 12, or the area just above 12, gets a lot of resistance. So even if there is an up move here that takes us back up over 11, I still think that we could run into some trouble around $12. I know that we have a lot of wild price action here that took us, looks like we took us up over 22 this morning. I'm not sure we're going to get back up there.
Me either.
But we'll see what ends up happening. We have that $10 support area to get back up and recapture VWAP. We're going to have to get through the 65 EMA, which is currently at 1240.
I'll be honest. A chart like this is one of the easier ones for me to read in terms of sentiment. Mm-hmm. When the pre-market opened today and this thing was ripping higher, it was all being done on buying volume. Then you had a little bit of a regression back to the mean that took us to the VWAP. We see this all the time with stocks. We got another bounce there. That coincided with some more volume. But when this thing came back to the VWAP again, there was hardly anybody here. There were a few folks that tried it. We have one green candle in the sea of red candles here, and we have a bounce candle that has a tall wick at the top. This thing came back in, coughed up VWAP. This thing has seen no strength the rest of the day. Even this recent curl here that was done on a little bit more buying volume immediately sold back down. 13, I have a tough time trusting this one here today. Seeing this come all the way back to the SPAC price probably means this was a no touch for me, to be quite honest with you today. Maybe there's a technical setup that sets up here, but with some of the other stuff that we have going on, this one kind of seems a tad risky.